So when it's late at night and you're still wide awake, if you're with your friends or you're lonely, when you hear somebody start to say my name, oh, when you think of me, I hope you think good things. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. Please hit like and subscribe. And let me know if you have any other requests of songs you want to learn in the comment section, all right? So let's get into this song. It's you're going to put it in standard tuning, and you're going to have a capo on the 2nd fret, okay? So just so you know, whenever there's a capo on there, everything, like all the finger placement, is in relation to the capo. It's like that's the 0 fret, okay? So like the 3rd fret would actually be the first one on that, all right? The song is pretty dang easy to play. You're just going to use you're going to use 4 chords. So you're going to use D. You're going to use A, you're going to use E. Before I show you the last one, I'll just want to let you know, I'm going to show you the strumming patterns for the different parts of the song, for the intro, for the verses, for the chorus, for the bridge, and then I'm going to show you the strumming pattern, the strumming patterns and the chord progressions. So I'm going to show you where all that goes. So then the last one you're going to do is F sharp minor. Okay, so you're going to do bar starting on the big E string. You're going to bar from there all the way across, and then you're going to put your ring finger, goes 2 frets down, so it's going to be on the A string on the 4th fret, and then your pinky is going to be on the 4th fret on the D string, okay? Okay, so that's F sharp minor. All right, now let's get into this. So the song starts, you're actually just going to do single strums in the intro. So you're going to do D, A, E, F sharp minor, F sharp minor. You go D, A, E, A. Okay, so D, A, E, F sharp minor, D, A, E, A. Okay, that's the intro. And you're just gonna do single strums for that. So for that part, it's just gonna be. Okay, now when you get to the verse, you're gonna start out playing that same thing. So you're gonna do D on some things, sorry, it's said, D on said some things, things is A, things I ain't proud of. And then right after of, you're gonna do E, I wish I could take back. So I wish, I is gonna be E, is gonna be the E chord, I wish I could take back, all right, take back. So I wish I could, so I could is gonna be F sharp minor. And then you're gonna do D on never, never meant, so meant is A, meant to make you hurt, hurt is E, hurt like that, that is F sharp minor, that no. Then you're gonna start that over, okay, and then you're gonna do, okay, 4 is D, for a while is A, while it was perfect, you, all right, U is E, you made my world, okay, world is F sharp minor, world stands still, O is D, O and something, something is A, something about you always, always is E, always will. Okay, so for the verse, you're gonna do D, A, E, F sharp minor. You're gonna do that the entire time until the very end of the verse, and then you're gonna do D, A, E, A. All right, when you do, oh, and something about you always will. Okay, then when you get to the chorus, all right, so you're just gonna let that ring out, always will. So when it's late, so for the first time you play the chorus, you're gonna do, so when it's late at night. So you're just gonna do single strums for the beginning of it, all right? I'm sorry for how, you know, how much noise my stool is making. I apologize for that. So you're gonna do, so when it's late. So you're still gonna do single strums for the first couple lines of the chorus, okay? Just the first time you play it. So when it's late, late is D, late at night. So you do night is A, night, and you're still wide, wide is E, wide awake, awake. So wake is where you're gonna do F sharp minor. Wake, if you're with is D, with your friends, or you're lonely. Okay, so you do D, A, E, F sharp minor, and then you just do D, A, E, okay? All right, or you're lonely. Then I mute it. Now you don't have to, you could just let it ring. Or you're lonely. Okay, now I think it sounds better to mute it, but you don't have to. And you can do, when you hear, so then you're gonna start over. Say, when you hear is D, hear somebody Somebody is A. Buddy, start to say is E. Say my name. All right, name is F sharp minor. Name. Oh, when you think is D. Think of me. Me is A. Me. I hope you.
We know that when looking.
Okay, you're gonna do think good things. Things is A. Things. Okay, A. So now the way that you will do that though is after you play E on Lonely, all right, you're not just gonna do single strums anymore. There you're gonna do so when you hear somebody. So you do down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so you're gonna do when you hear somebody start to say my name. Oh, when you think of me, I hope you think good things. So down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So you're just doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so just down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you're just basically doing one, and then you take a little bit of a break, and then you're gonna do, and you're just alternating. Okay, so you're just doing that alternating. All right, then when you get to I hope you think good things. So it's kind of like echoing. You're just gonna play D, A, E, F sharp minor, and then D, A, E, A. I hope you think good things. I hope you think good things. Okay, so, and then the second verse is the same as the first one, so you're just gonna do the single strums. All right, so you're just gonna do the single strums, and then in the second chorus, instead of this time I wouldn't do the single strums. I would actually just play the whole thing with down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so you're just gonna play the down, down, up, down, the whole chorus, and then the bridge you're gonna do the same thing. So the bridge is just gonna be think of the way we started, that started to shake, held you for the first time. Okay, so you're just gonna do D, A, E, F, D, A, E, F sharp minor, D, A, E, F sharp minor, D, and so you're just gonna do D, A, E, F sharp minor the whole time until the end of it. You're just gonna do D, A, E, okay? And you end it on E. All right? And then you go to that last chorus. Now for the last chorus, you could just do the single strums, but I would end it on I hope you think good things, and you'll just end it on things as A. Okay, so that's how you play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching, and see me next time.